Welcome to JH. In this guide, I'll show you how to build dashboards using Canva. It's an enjoyable, simple process that takes just 5 minutes. While many know Canva for general design, today we're focusing on creating dashboards to visualize your data effectively. Once you've logged into your account, head to the search bar and type dashboard. This is the first step to accessing Canva's wide range of ready-to-use templates. It's like browsing a gallery of professional options. As you type, helpful suggestions will appear to lead you straight to the dashboard category, ensuring you don't get lost in the massive library. Now that you're in the dashboard section, take a moment to explore the choices. You'll find everything from clean, minimal layouts to vibrant, energetic designs. Pick one that matches your aesthetic and functional needs. Consider your specific data and your target audience, as the right template helps people understand and engage with your information better. After finding a design you like, click Customize this template. This opens the Canva editor where you can start the real work. Here, you can adjust every detail to ensure the dashboard fits your data and the narrative you want to share. With the editor open, begin personalizing the layout. Add your specific data and modify the structure as needed. You can easily update the color palette, fonts, and graphics to align with your brand or style. Canva's intuitive tools make this very simple. Just click on any element to edit it, drag items to move them, and use the top toolbar to change sizes or colors. While editing, focus on the main points you want to emphasize so they stand out. You want the final product to be both informative and visually appealing to keep your audience interested. That's all there is to it. With a few creative adjustments, you'll have a custom dashboard ready for any presentation. Whether you're in a boardroom or meeting with your team, your Canva dashboard will clearly tell your data story. Start designing now and watch as your raw numbers are transformed into a visual masterpiece.